Human activities and development rely on water resources. Water resources have their own functioning and dynamics in relation to the geoclimatic context, but are also increasingly modified by human action through direct or indirect influence. Understanding these interactions is crucial given water's vital role within socio-ecological systems. We designate socio-hydrological systems or socio-hydro systems as those socio-ecological systems where water plays a critical role in resilience. In essence, socio-hydro systems encompass a complex combination of resources, actors, institutions, and infrastructures regrouped into four main categories: users, governance systems, resource systems, and resource units. The analysis of socio-hydro systems scrutinizes how humans interact with the elements and organisms comprising these ecosystems, simplifying these interactions as practices and behaviors. Practices are organized forms of activities, while behaviors represent the way people take decisions and act. Social representations, mainly values, ideas, and beliefs, orient behaviors and practices within groups and communities. The analysis explores also the consequences of these interactions, adopting a dynamic perspective. Understanding the mechanisms and determinants of these interactions is a central focus of the PRECOS team, which stands for Practices, Social Representations and Behaviors in Socio-Hydro Systems. PRECOS investigates these social phenomena through two complementary spheres of analysis. The first one is the logic of individual actions, and the second is composed by societal structures that shape these individual actions, including norms, institutions, values, incentives, knowledge, and information. Our primary focus lies in analyzing individual choices in a group and how these choices are influenced by the group members or by societal structures and rules, either emerging from the group or imposed by the rest of the society. This dual analysis approach necessitates a diverse array of methodologies and disciplines. Our main research questions delve into the specificities of actors' social representations, practices, and behaviors in socio-hydro systems, if compared to other socio-ecological systems. We also aim at understanding whether certain features of socio-hydro systems need to be considered with particular attention when designing and implementing the protocols for the analysis of those social dynamics. PRECOS employs four main groups of methods and approaches: service and focus groups, stated preferences, experimental economics and field experiments, hybrid methods. Service and focus groups characterize water use practices and their underlying representations, which aim to identify avenues for transforming these practices. Stated preferences involve survey techniques where respondents choose among hypothetical alternatives to deduce their preferences for non-market goods or specific ecosystem services. Experimental economics involves controlled sessions to observe participants' choices and test hypotheses regarding the influence of variables on human behavior. Participants receive cash payments based on their performance in these sessions. Hybrid methods result from the integration of various disciplines, such as experimental economics, experimental psychology, social simulation, like agent-based modeling, microeconomics, hydrogeology, and agronomy. In future videos, we will provide detailed explanations of each method, offer theoretical backgrounds, present case studies analyzing Socio-Hydro system actors' social dynamics, and discuss the pros and cons of each method. In the meantime, feel free to visit the Precoce website to download our collective working paper from 2022 titled Analysing Practices, Social Representations and Behaviours of Socio-Hydro Systems Actors. It is available free of charge. We hope you found this video informative. For any questions or feedback, please contact us using the information provided on screen.